Hey everyone, up and down garage doors here. Woke up to a frozen garage door that refuses to budge on a frosty morning? Your bottom rubber seal is likely frozen to the concrete. Today, we're covering how to prevent a garage door from freezing shut to help you restore access quickly and avoid expensive repairs. Never force the door open by repeatedly hitting the opener button. This can strip internal gears or burn out the motor instantly. If you disconnect the motor and the door feels dangerously heavy to lift manually, stop. You risk severe back injury or crashing the door. Call a professional if the spring tension feels off. Step-by-step pro overview. Step 1. Manual release. Pull the red emergency release cord to disconnect the automatic drive. Try to lift the door manually with gentle force. Step 2. Melt the bond. Use a hairdryer on low heat or spray a mixture of rubbing alcohol and water along the bottom seal. Pro tip: never use hot water. It will only refreeze and make the problem worse. Step 3. Chip carefully. If ice is thick, use a plastic scraper or wood block to chip it away. Avoid metal shovels that can tear the weather stripping. Step 4. Prevention. To stop this from happening again, keep the threshold dry, sweep snow immediately, and spray silicone lubricant on the bottom rubber seal to repel water. If you are locked out or need to upgrade your weather stripping for winter, do not force it. Contact Up and Down Garage Doors or read the full guide. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more winter safety tips.